Hello students, today we will discuss class 9 chapter first, The Fun They Had. The story is written about Isaac Asimov. Now before starting with the chapter, I will give you introduction. This is very good story. It is fun. It is set in the future. All of you love schools. This story is regarding school life and how those children who do not go to school miss school. Now the story tells us when maybe there are no books, no schools. Now how those children will miss the schools. This is an imagination of younger Margie. The story we shall read is set in the future, when books and schools, as we now know, them will perhaps not exist. How will children study them? There will be learning through computers. There will be virtual classrooms. That is each child sitting in his room, they have computer in front of them. They are studying in virtual classrooms. So this is not a real classroom. They could be robotic teacher. That means who have been pre-programming to teach you particular subject. Then would be moving e-text. That means all the book will be on computer. Some children might feel that the way I am teaching you online is also a virtual classroom, and this is something that you will read in the story. But let me tell you that this is not your school. You people go to school, but what the story says, there will be no schools. Maybe it could be that children only study through the computers or through robots. So how will such children think or feel when they come to know that in the past? So let us begin the story. Now Margie is the main character in the story. She is girl of 11-year-old. She writes diary. As I told you, the story is set in the future. That is 140 years from now. And that time Margie writes in her diary, Tommy found a real book. Now in her times, real books do not exist. They have only e-books, virtual books. Margie's grandfather told her that his grandfather studying the books was printed on papers. Thanks. And next video I explain the more about this chapter.